Welcome to Python Pandas course. Hi, my name is Pooja Pokhriyal, and in today's lecture I am going to show you how to load or import data from JSON file to DataFrame. When we talk about JSON, it stands for JavaScript Object Notation. It is a file that stores simple data structures and objects in JavaScript Object Notation. It is basically used for transmitting data between a web application and a server. Here you can see sample JSON file. So here you can see we have info.json file, and here objects are in JavaScript object notation, and it is a standard data interchange format, right? So now let's see how to read this data from JSON to DataFrame. Now first open Visual Studio Code and create a file. So steps are same as we have discussed in earlier lectures. Now you need to save this file as a Python file. Click on Save As, and now you can give name to your file. So here we are dealing with JSON file, and from here you can select the type. So we are creating Python file, so select Python and click on save. Now we have this Python file. Now start writing your code. First we need to import pandas, or I am giving aliasing. So I am going to refer pandas as PD. Now we have function named read JSON, and we need to specify the path where your JSON file is located. So in my system, inside P drive, I have one folder named course, Python course, and then inside this folder I have file that I have shown you named info.json, right? So we are going to read this file. So this read JSON function will load data from this file and it will return data frame. So we are going to store it in some variable. So here variable name is df. Now just print the value of this data frame. Press Ctrl S, and now here this green button we have, click on this green button, and now you can see the output on this terminal window. You can maximize this screen from this up arrow key, and you can see the output according to your program. So this terminal will show you which Python file it is running, and according to your program you can see. So it is taking time to load. Now here we go. We have this data frame. This data has been loaded from this JSON file, and JSON file is info.json, right? So this is the syntax to load, or we can say import, data from JSON file to DataFrame, right? Now you have DataFrame, so we can deal with DataFrame. We have discussed how to deal with DataFrame in one of the lectures. So you can print the column name using columns. Press Ctrl S and then click here, and it will show you column names, right? Here player, country, mat, ins. So if you wish to print a specific column, then you need to use this square bracket, and inside you need to write column name. Now just press Ctrl S and then this green button, and you will see, so only player column is there, this, right? So whole data frame is this. Here you can see, and here only player column has been displayed, right? So this is the syntax to read JSON file, and you can accordingly write your logic to deal with this data frame. Now you know how to load data from JSON file to data frame. Thank you. We will meet in the next lecture.